For this week's Cake and Make, we're doing a do-it-yourself cupcake soap. So all you've got to do is pick up your kit from the library. Inside you'll find 4 cubes of glycerin soap, a container of sprinkles, a mold that you'll use to make the cup, and finally 1 small vial of Cupcake essential oil. So because this is glycerin soap, it's really very simple. All that you need to do is put the soap chunks in a microwave safe vessel like a coffee cup. You'll take the essential oil that has been included in the kit. You'll add it to the soap. Use a spoon or a stirring stick or something like that to stir it up. You want to make sure that you get everything mixed very thoroughly so that you don't have any spots that are especially dense with the essential oil. Then you will take and pour it into the included cup, like so. The nice thing is that because this is a soap, the dish is really easy to clean. You just wash the soap off. Then you take the sprinkles, add them on top, and then let everything dry. And it should take about 30 minutes to an hour for it to set up, and then once that happens, it is ready to use. After your soap is cooled down, all you need to do is pop it up out of the container, just like this, and you'll have a nice cupcake smelling bar of soap that you can use. Thanks, enjoy the holidays.